We have Lululemon. Everybody knows Lululemon. Everybody knows Ulta. This one is Ulta. Ulta is getting trashed $25. It was overvalued. It was a manipulative stock, and it needs to come back down here to $3.20. That's another $50 drop in Ulta. They did not beat the earnings. No. Let me just tell you something about this Ulta stock. I am short the stock. I don't believe in the company. They decreased. They missed, man. They missed. 530 versus 546. So all the lies, all the upgrades. Remember, when you get upgrades day after day, that's when you get short. This is the gap. This is the resistance. Let me draw a trend line. This is where the stock needs to come back down to. Then the next one is going to be that crummy stock Lululemon. But this one is our preferred short. We did not short Lululemon, but we will tomorrow. They did not beat. This market is overvalued. September and October, the bear will be in 100% control. Believe it. Believe it. Their holiday and them, they're all screwed. That's what they get. You manipulate, you cheat, you con, you get punishment.